Overnight oats are my go-to breakfast for busy mornings. They are easy and super nutritious. And if you ask me, there is nothing better than starting your morning with something very nutritious that's good for your gut and your heart. Here is what you're going to need for this recipe. You will need 2 cups of oats, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, coconut milk, and a very ripe banana. Start by putting the oats in a jar or container that you're gonna use. Chia seeds, and then cinnamon, vanilla extract, sweeten mine with honey, that's optional. And then I'm adding about a cup and a half unsweetened coconut milk and also a very ripe banana. Mix it all in and store it in the refrigerator overnight. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Overnight oats here in this jar. I have some strawberries, blueberries, walnuts, and cacao nibs. They turned out really creamy. Strawberries, some blueberries, some walnuts, and some cacao nibs. You can definitely play with your toppings. Overnight oats will simplify your busy mornings and ensure that you're eating a healthy breakfast. They're rich in fiber and loaded with vitamin B, and the most important, they will keep you full until lunch. Thanks for watching. Bye!